First, a Target 12 investigators exclusive. A Target 12 analysis of the Rhode Island Department of Health data shows where community transmission is increasing over the past 2 weeks.
The health department reporting 145 new cases today, the highest one-day total since May 12th. But we wanted to know, where are these infections popping up? Target 12 investigator Tolly Taylor joins us now live in studio. And Tolly, some familiar areas are seeing an increase in cases, but also some unusual ones as well.
Yeah, that's right. One of the hardest hit zip codes during the pandemic, 02909 in Providence, is seeing a spike once again. But the Department of Health is also reporting case increases in areas outside of the state's capital. The CDC reversing course Tuesday, recommending vaccinated Americans resume wearing masks in public indoor spaces in areas of substantial or high transmission. This change coming as the more infectious Delta variant of the coronavirus becomes widespread. In Rhode Island, the health department reports substantial transmission, and Governor Dan McKee has spoken repeatedly about the need to get more Rhode Islanders vaccinated, and recently expressed frustrations with those who have so far chosen not to.
But I don't know what more evidence they would want in terms of the data that shows that people who are getting vaccinated are protected from going to the hospital at degrees higher than normal flu vaccinations.
A Target 12 analysis of Rhode Island Department of Health data shows the west end of Providence, one of the hardest hit zip codes throughout the pandemic, has once again seen an increase in cases between July 14th and 28th. It's the same story in Woonsocket, which currently has the lowest vaccination rate in the state. But we're also seeing an unusual spike in Portsmouth, which has been comparatively low throughout the pandemic. Target 12 reached out to the health department last week about Portsmouth, and a spokesperson responded, "The two main drivers are familiar: social gatherings and travel. The factor that is a little newer is cases among unvaccinated children." Overall, Rhode Island has seen the total number of daily infections increase from about 15 per day in June to nearly 100 per day this week. With the Target 12 investigators, I'm Tolly Taylor, 12 News.